Next example, find the roots of the quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula in each of the following. Okay, here using quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, general quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, here given quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, here a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 5. Okay, we have already discussed quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, if discriminant is greater than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, if discriminant is equal to 0, discriminant equal to 0, we will get two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we will get no roots. Okay, here we get imaginary roots. Okay, this is the nature of the roots. Okay, so first d equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, first we will check discriminant. Here b square is minus 3 whole square, minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 5. Okay, minus 3 whole square which is equal to 9 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 2s 8, 8 5s 40. 9 plus 40, 49. 49 is greater than 0. Okay, see, discriminant. If discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, here we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, so use this formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of discriminant by 2a. Okay, minus b is minus of minus 3 plus or minus d value 49 by 2 into a value 2. Okay, which is equal to minus of minus which is equal to plus 3 plus or minus root of 49 value 7, 2 into 2 4. Okay, we will get two distinct real roots. One root is x equal to plus 3 plus 7 by 4 or plus 3 minus 7 by 4. Okay, here 3 plus 7, 10 by 4 and 3 minus 7 minus 4 by 4. Okay, 2 5s, 2 2s. One root is 5 by 2, another root 4 1s 4 minus 1. Okay, here we get x value 5 by 2 or minus 1. Okay, next quadratic equation, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Here we have to check nature of the roots and use quadratic formula to find roots. Okay, first we will check nature of the roots. Discriminant, here discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, here b value b equal to a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 3, c equal to 5. Okay, so discriminant equal to b square is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 5. Okay, 3 square 9 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. Okay, which is equal to 9 minus 40 minus 31. See, minus 31 is less than 0. If D is less than 0, we will get imaginary roots. Okay, imaginary roots. Okay, no real roots. Okay, next question. Here we have to find the roots using quadratic formula. Okay, first we will check nature of the roots. Okay, here discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac, b equal to a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to minus root of 11 minus root of 11, c equal to 1. Okay, discriminant d equal to b square, b is minus root 11 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 by 2, c is 1. Okay, square and root cancel, minus into minus plus, which is equal to 11 minus 2 ones 2 2's. Here c equal to 1. Okay, 11 minus 2, 11 minus 2 which is equal to 9. D equal to greater than 0. Okay, here D equal to greater than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, use quadratic formula. We know quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, root of discriminant by 2 into a. Okay, minus b is minus of minus root 11 plus or minus d is 9 by 2 into a. A is 1 by 2. Okay, minus of minus, it will become plus root 11 plus or minus root of 9 value 3, 2 ones 2 2's. In denominator we have 1. Okay, here we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, root of 11 plus 3 or root of 11 minus 3. Okay, here x value root of 11 plus 3 or root of 11 minus 3. Okay, in same way to solve remaining questions. Okay, all of you should solve remaining questions.